So hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to repair your variator on the Alfa. It's in models Alfa 156, 166, 147, GTV, GT. It's basically every engine with variator, so 1.4 liters, 1.6, 0.8 and 2.0 liters Twin Spark with variator. So I repaired mine, I think it was 3 years ago. I followed the instructions on the internet, one page specifically, and basically what it said that it's a simple job. These splines, you just put them on, you make sure that these teeth align. There will always be one position. Okay, you can see this is almost no. Okay, here it is. So the teeth are aligned on the camshaft on the inside and on the outer shell to match the case of the variator. And they say this is it. You just put it in like that. That's a big no-no. As I repaired my variator 2 years ago, the engine didn't run any smoother or quieter. It was literally the same. The variator with these splines, like I showed before, just a minute ago, it still has its function. It's working. It's advancing, retarding the timing, but it's not deadening sound. It's very, very loud. Why is this? Because like this, and when you put the outer shell, it still has lots of play. I know it doesn't have spring right now in it, but it still has a lot of play with spring. I already tried because I needed to buy new camshaft. My was badly worn, specifically because of this. So I'm gonna show you how to properly repair it. Basically, this little piece, this has 3 holes. This only has one hole, and I don't know if you can see there and there in this shape, in triangle, there are small dots. Now, out of these 3 holes, one is 3 millimeters. On mine is above the serial number, so it's this hole. These 2 are 2.5 millimeters. How you wanna install it is so that this big hole meets with this one. So I'm gonna just put it on the camshaft. This thing doesn't have rotation, it's not important where it goes. So that, and this big hole above serial number should go directly in front of this one. I don't know if you can see, they are perfectly aligned, the holes, and the small dots, you can see them inside. But now there is another issue. This and this is not aligned. This is not perfectly straight, so the outer case won't go in. Why is that? That is because there must be a gap approximately 2 millimeters. Now they are perfectly straight, and it will go in this case. As I concluded this, I was doing a lot of research on this. I will post the link in the description. One guy from, I think it's Britain, perfectly described it. This is their anti-rattle effect. So oil probably goes in there, but the most important thing, it's because this, when it's inserted in the case, this literally cannot move. It cannot go more inside because the splines won't let it. So this is probably that the case is always under tension and it doesn't rattle. The rest of the things as repairing variator are the same. You just need these two washers. They go down there, and inside they must be like this, facing the outer towards the out. They go inside. Then you have the plastic washer. It goes inside like this. This goes here with the washers. With the washers inserted inside. It goes there, but before that you must put a spring over here, like that. This goes in, and that's it. The trickiest part here is this spring. It's quite strong. The guy on the internet used some nylon syringes, but I have these zip ties. They are 2.4 millimeters thick, I mean wide, so they go perfectly, because you have these holes. Through these holes the oil escapes out in the engine compartment. You can insert it inside, put it under here, and circle back around here, and you can make tension on the spring. I already tried it, it works. I just disassembled it for the video. So one here, compress the spring, at least like so. So this can be like here, and the other part goes on the remaining teeth. And then you just insert the case. So that's it, guys. That's basically what I wanted to show you, because I was reading on the internet a lot of comments about how people repair their variator and it still makes noise. As I said, it is because these two are then together, and the whole case, even the spring, can move with hand. Maybe not in first place when you repair it first time, but mine after 3 years, like I said, I repaired it 3 years ago, it had lots of free play. This one doesn't have any at all, almost. So yeah, just watch for this hole, big hole, and the third big hole above serial number on the second gearing. And this must be 2 millimeters point apart from each other, and now this is all good.